Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's look is going to be a glam and gore mermaid look. So the first thing I'm going to do to get right into it is pick up a white shadow, put that all over my lid. The palette that I'm using is called La Da Vinci or Da Vinci. I don't know exactly how to say it, but I got it off of Amazon for literally $10 and it has gorgeous colors that are really pigmented. So I'm going to be using the blues and the turquoise and the purples in this palette. So right here I'm picking up a flat brush and I'm going to use the turquoise and blue and put that all over my lid. So right here I'm picking up my go-to blending brush and gonna get more of that blue and turquoise on my brush and then soften out my edges. So right here I'm taking a small brush. I'm going to pick up some of that blue and turquoise mixture and then really smoke out the lower lash line. I lost a lot of that gorgeous turquoise color when I went ham on blending, so I'm picking up a little bit more of that turquoise just to make my eyes pop. Okay, so now is when the real fun begins. So right here I'm picking up some of that blue glitter that is in the palette that I have and applying that all over my lid. And of course, I wanted to add glitter to my lower lash line as well. And then I also picked up some of that blue and some of the pink glitter as well and put that to the outer corners of my eyes. Now I'm picking up my favorite go-to highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter, and I am obsessed with it. It's so gorgeous. So right here, I am popping it on the inner corners of my eyes, on my brow bone, and honestly anywhere else that I really want to have a highlight. So just have fun with it, sis. So I know y'all are thinking summer chill out with the glitter, but girl, we're about to pop in some more. I'm picking up the NYX loose glitter, and then I'm also going to apply my liquid eyeliner. I thought about doing a winged eyeliner, but because of all the glitter happening, I just did a thin line, and then I'm going to coat some mascara and then pop on my falsies. So the lashes I'm going to use are the Ardell Twin Pack. I love these because they're really big and dramatic and they're really gorgeous with this look. Alright, so now I'm going to fill in and define my brows. I am using e.l.f.'s Eyebrow Duo. And then right after that, I'm going to pick up the blue and turquoise color and apply that all over my eyebrows as well to really tie in the whole look together. So now we're going to add even more glitter to our face. I'm picking up some Vaseline. You can use anything that you have that will really let the glitter stick to your face better. I'm going to pick up the Vaseline and put that all over the places that I want to put the glitter. I'm mainly focusing the glitter on the places where I want to contour as well. So right here I'm picking up more of that Vaseline so I can put more glitter on my cheekbones. And honestly, this is just randomly where I decided to place it, but you can put your glitter wherever you want. Yep, this is where I realized I seriously screwed up. It definitely would have been a lot easier to do my contour before I put on my glitter, but you know me, I got a little too carried away with my glitter, and here we are. So right here I'm trying my best to just go ahead and do the contour on my cheekbones and my forehead as well. So right here I decided to clean up my contour a little bit more and bake. And then while I'm doing that, I also felt like I should have a little more purple in the look. So here I'm picking up NYX eyeshadow duo and applying that on all the places that I felt like I needed a little bit more purple. So for this look, I knew I definitely wanted to bring the colors down on my neck. So I'm doing almost like an ombre moment, and I'm doing the darker blue at the top of my neck, and then doing the lighter blue, and then purple all over the chest. This look definitely can never have enough glitter, so of course I'm bringing the glitter all over my chest and just placing it randomly on my neck and focusing more on my collarbones. And just to make my collarbones pop a little bit more, I'm going to place that highlighter I used earlier directly on my collarbones. I got this adorable headband from Amazon for like $10. It's a really cute mermaid-like headband, and I thought it really would tie together the whole look, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And then also the last step, I am popping on some peaky purple lipstick and then applying, of course, you guessed it, more glitter. So now the real fun begins. So right here, I'm going to pick up Elmer's glue. It's non-toxic and totally safe to use. You can use latex to use this on your face as well, but I had an allergic reaction to it, so I'm just gonna stick with this. So take some cotton balls, and as you can see, I am loosely tearing them apart and figuring out where I'm going to place them. Right here, I'm using the backside of a random toothbrush to kind of help me place the glue and the cotton together better. And right here, I'm placing the first cotton swab right on my face. And so what you're going to want to do is put as much glue as possible to make sure that it doesn't move. And then on the other side, you're going to do the exact same thing and really place it and form it where you want. Just make sure when you're forming the cuts to connect both sides together. Once the glue's dried a little bit, make sure that you do have a slit in the middle so that way it has an open wound cut. And I just use my finger to kind of lift it up. And then a really important step is to make sure that the wound matches your skin tone. So right here I'm just doing some foundation and then powdering it to get rid of the shine. And then taking my finger again to really lift up the wound. Then I'm going to go in with the red and fill in so make it look like blood. And then another really important step to note is that you need to make the wound look like it's bothered, infected, irritated. Now this is my absolute favorite part where we get into the real gory stuff. So right here I have some scab blood and some just liquidy blood as well. And just to make it a little bit more chunky, what I did was actually took some of those cotton balls and put it into the blood to make it look more chunky, make it look almost like real flesh. Scab blood is without a doubt the most fun you could possibly have with any gore look. It just adds such a realistic-like look, and I really loved it. I had so much fun filming this for you guys. I definitely plan on doing another gory look. Just let me know in the comments. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I promise you I'll see you in my next video.